Ora mai cuzzies, it's me, Buzz, and welcome to Te Tai Tokero, the far north of Aotearoa, New Zealand! I grew up here on the family farm. This is my brother John Boy. My dad Frank. And my mum Kim. Woo! Are you ready to come on some epic little missions with me? Mean! Hoake tātou. And today, 60 seconds on the clock, I'm on a mission to break world records. Did I beat it? Is that a whittle?
Sounded like a challenge.
I take on an amazing challenge at the Speedway. Go, Buzz, go! And are you sure this is a shortcut? There's an epic horse race at the beach.
So you cowboys ready for a race?
Howdy. Kia ora, my cuzzies, and welcome to Buzz's Epic World Records! Today, Buzz will be attempting to break 3 world records. Ew. Let's check in with our competitor to see how he's doing. Kia ora, I'm Buzz, and today I'm attempting 3 world records. I've just been warming up. I've done 15 press-ups, 500 squats, and 9 donkey kicks. They've equipped me with the materials that I need to really give this whittle a go. I love a challenge. Sounds like we have a real tamatoa on our hands. Let's see if those donkey kicks help with this first whittle. For your first world record, you'll be attempting to put as many socks on one foot as possible in 30 seconds. The current world record is 28 socks. 28 socks? That's like 1 every second. I'm gonna have to be really fast. Okay, believe in yourself, Buzz. Oh, kia kama. Think the Flash. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. Tahi, rua, toru, karawhiua. Thank you. Hold on. And coffee! That is time. Let's get the official count. That was intense. Did you see me, cuzzies? I was pulling on my talking, I like, yeah, and then letting them go like, yeet. Let's count them and see how many we got on. 14, 15, 16. Oh, that was so close. I bet if I keep practicing, one day I'm going to be the world record holder. Okay, I'm ready for my next whittle. For your second record attempt, you will do as many cartwheels as you can in 1 minute. Oh, cartwheels! I love cartwheels. I think I've got a really good chance at this one. The record for the most cartwheels is 67 cartwheels in 1 minute. Okay, cartby. Let me check there's no obstacles in the way. Okay! Are you ready, Buzz? 60 seconds on the clock. Tai, rua, toru, karawhiua. Oh, my lips are chapped, if we can sort that out. Weather. how'd I do? Another amazing attempt, Buzz. You did 40 cartwheels in 60 seconds. No! Kia kaha, Buzz. Okay, careful getting back up. I'm a bit dizzy from all the cartwheels. Don't give up. You still have one more wero to attempt. All right. Okay, my cousins, are you ready for the next wero? Don't care. Let's do it. All right, Buzz. Anei te wero whakamutunga. For your final wero, you will be attempting the longest gumboot throw in the world. Oh, I love kamuputu. And equipped with these muscles I got from my mum, surely I can break the record. You will have to throw the gumboot a total of 64 meters to break the world record. Ooh, that's really far. Kua ready? Are you ready? Set! Viewer! Did I do it? Good attempt, Buzz. The world record is 64 meters and you threw your gumboot a total of 48 meters. Oh, I need to have another go. I've figured it out. I know the technique. I call this one the Hootie Hootie Gumboot Throwy. Back it up. Beat it! Woo! That was a close attempt, Buzz. You threw your gumboot a total of 59 meters. That's only 5 meters away from the world record. 5 meters! Oh, that's so close. You wait, my cousins. I'm going to perfect my technique, and then next minute I'm going to have the big ass muscles, and I'm going to be a world record holder, and then that's me off to the Olympics. I can see it now. Hey, I better go and pick up my gumboots. Hi, Mum.
Oh, hi, Buzz. What you been up to?
Oh, I've just been trying to break world records.
Oh, that's the one. How'd you go?
I didn't get any, but I know with practice I will.
Oh, that's the one. Hey, you don't want to set a record for hanging the clothes out the fastest, do you?
I'd love another wero. What's the record?
You're about to set it. You ready?
Yep.
Set, go. Okay. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi.
Rua, what? Far out! What the?
Still got it.
Ah, there you have it, Te Whānau. If you can't do it, your mama probably can. I'll see you again next time. Ka kite anō. They're coming around turn 2. This is exciting racing by the young champion. It's bumper to bumper as they go into the final lap. It's amazing to see this level of whakataitai. It's looking good coming into turn 1. It's anyone's race. Down the back straight they go into turn 2. And our young champion takes the victory as they pass the checkered flag. Te whānau, another amazing battle by all of our racers. We'll be back soon with your next race. That was amazing. Oh, kia ora, my cussies. It's me, Buzz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, we're at Taipa Speedway. He tino wāhi tēnei kia hau. This is one of my favourite places. And if you like race cars, then this is the place you want to be. Whai mai, let me show you around. Taipa Speedway started in the mid-1980s. That's the olden days. People have been racing here ever since. Whee! This track is made up of 2 straights and 2 corners. It's also made of red uku. This clay is famous for its firmness, grip, and drainage. Tino, my cussies, this is the pits. Check out all of these amazing waka tuki. There's so many amazing waka tuki here. In stock cars, they have different classes. There is C grade, which has motor car like this. They're not very powerful, but they're fantastic for learning how to drive stock cars. There is production class. They're like pimped up rides built between 1995 and 2005. They've also got passenger seats just in case someone else wants to come for a ride. Anyone? There is B class. This is where things start to get spicy. This waka tuki has a V6 in it. Check it out. And last but not least, we have the saloons. These are the big boy waka tuki. Fast as and hard as to control. You have to be a real mean driver to be able to race these waka tuki. And if you thought the V6s were too hearty, wait till you see what's under this hood. Tough. This engine's called a V8. That's like 2 more Vs than a V6. That means more power. You'll notice that these waka tuki look different to normal cars. That's because there's strict rules around the safety of racing cars. Some of them are. You have a roll cage, a steel roof plate, strong, and side impact protectors. You have steel mesh windows. We also have seat belts. Approved engine, important. Approved wheels, need those. And we have special seats. All of the safety equipment is very, very important to keep everyone as safe as possible while they're racing. Hey, we also have to wear special That's Ashley Jackson. He kai tarawa tino tere ia. She's the fastest race car driver here. And my arch nemesis.
Buzz.
Ashley.
Buzz the cuz.
Ashley Jackson.
Let me guess. You're on another one of your amazing adventures.
That's right. And today I'm showing the cussies what racing waka tuki is all about.
If that's what you want to call what you do is.
Well, you'll be surprised because every time I practice, I get better.
You're the reason we need practice.
You're the reason we have side impact protectors.
Oh, well, excuse me.
That's all you are is excuses. Oh.
I don't need an excuse to beat you.
Well, get ready because I love a wero. First across the finish line is crowned the fastest racer.
Fine.
Fine.
Cool.
Cool. I can't believe I just challenged Ashley Jackson to a race. Get yourself together, Buzz. You can do this. All right, my cussies. It looks like we're pulling out the Buzzmobile today. Why mai? Check it out. This is my waka tuki. Oh, it's almost time to race. Time to put on my safety gear. What's that? That's right, it's me. Check out all my safety gear. I have my race suit, my race boots, my kahurunga, gloves, my neck brace, and my pōtai maro helmet. It's even got my name on it. All right, time to get in my waka tuki. And the tension is high as the racers get their final safety checks from the race officials. Okay, first we get some warm-up laps. This is it, my cuzzies. Today might be the day I finally beat Ashley Jackson. This is going to be amazing. Whew. Okay, think, Buzz. What are those rules I need to remember about the flags? The green flag means go and the race is in progress. The red flag means stop immediately. The yellow flag means be very careful. The white flag means one more lap to go. And the checkered flag means that it's the end of the race. Whee! So much to remember, but I can do it. Okay, got it. Racers, please make your way to the start line. You can do this, Buzz. And they're off. Great start by Buzz going into turn one. He has the lead. Down the back straight, Ashley has taken the lead off Buzz. Coming into turn two, she's extending her lead. We have a beautiful crowd out here cheering for Ashley. And we have someone cheering on Buzz. It's the final 2 laps. Buzz isn't letting Ashley get away. This is an amazing effort from the challenger.
I've been a champion for all of my life. As a young and golden medals, more than something I like. I would always look for challenges.
The white flag is up. One more lap to go. It's anyone's race. Ashley is going wide on the corner. Will Buzz overtake? Go, Buzz! Go! That was close. We'll have to go to our instant replay to see who won. Who would believe it? It's a draw. Congratulations to both Ashley Jackson and Buzz the Cuz.
Not bad at all, Buzz. You've been practicing, eh?
Thank you. You're pretty fast too. I didn't think I was going to catch you.
I'm glad you did. I need some good competition around here.
Well, it looks like there's 2 best racers at Taipa Speedway now.
For now.
Is that a whittle?
Do you really want to see who the best racer around here is?
You had me at whittle. To the Buzzmobile! Kia ora, my cuzzies. He rangi tino ātāhua neha. It's a beautiful day. I'm just on my way to check out our hoiho. Kia ora, Buzz the Cuz speaking. Oh, Jules.
Buzz, I need you to catch 2 of the horses. Te Cody just rang me. They want a horse race down at the beach. I'll see you soon.
No way. Hooray! We're going to be in a horse race. This is going to be amazing. Come on, my cuzzies. Hey. Tēnā koe, Duncan. E pēhea ana koe. Oh, pai. You heard about the race too? Do you want to be in it? Cool. Hey, cuzzies, this is Duncan. He really loves rainbows and Nintendo. Let's tie you up and then I'll go and catch Blaze, eh? Check it out. That's Blaze. That's Jill's favourite horse. Hey, Blaze, do you want to come for a race at the beach? I thought you might. Come here, Blaze. Out of my place. Come back. Come back. Ah! Out of my. There we go. Just there. Ah, perfect. Hey, did I ever tell you that Blaze is an awesome name? Oh, you too, Duncan? Duncan is a special name. Hey, I've got a joke. What do hoi ho drink wine out of? A decanter. All right, I've got another one. What is a hoi ho's favourite waiata? Eh? Eh? Hoi ho, it's off to work we go. Still got it. Oh, it's Jules.
Kia ora, Buzz.
Kia ora, Jules.
Kia ora, cuzzies.
Hey, Blaze and Duncan are keen as on a race.
Mean, let's go saddle them up.
Let's do it. This is going to be amazing. Jules is the best horse rider I know, and she knows how to saddle up horses really good. Can you teach us how to saddle up a horse? Oh, mātanga masterful, Jules.
Come on, then. This is the saddle pad. This is where the saddle sits.
Right. How does that feel? Good? Check it out, my cuzzies. This is our tārua. Whee! All right, put this on. Hey, cuzzies, something else that's very important is you need to be very, very careful when you're around horses. If you're going to walk behind them, make sure that they know you're there and that they're really friendly and know you. Otherwise, you can just go around the front. But in any case, kia tūpato.
This is the girth. This holds the saddle on the horse so it doesn't fall off.
Check that out. This is our bridle. Let's put it on.
This helps you to turn the horse and stop the horse.
You look handsome.
Are you ready, Buzz?
We're all ready to go. Whee! That looks awesome. What do you reckon, my cuzzies? Pretty flash, eh?
You ready to head to the beach?
Definitely. What do you think, Blaze and Duncan? Don't care. Now all we have to do is put on our pōtai maro, our helmets. Oh! And Nate. This one. Ready to go. All you want to do now is put your foot into the stirrup like this. Perfect. Stand up tall and flick your leg over. Hoake tātou.
Come on, Buzz. I know a shortcut.
Ooh, a shortcut.
This way. Across here. Down here. This way.
Are you sure this is a shortcut?
Trust me, Buzz. I know all the shortcuts. Take a right. Then a left.
Hey, that's the tātai, the beach. Jules, you really did know a shortcut.
Told you.
Pooh, what other shortcuts have you been hiding?
Not telling.
Aww. Hey, Kei hea rātou. Where are they?
I don't know. They said they'll meet us here.
Oh, do you think they got scared?
Must have.
Oh, Duncan, hey, you scared them off. Must have been your big wai-wai. Oh, you're too fast, eh? Big hoi-ho.
So you cowboys ready for a race?
Howdy. I mean, aye.
Right then, let's see what you've got, Buzz the Cuz.
Yeah, well, good luck, because Jules knows all the shortcuts.
It's only a race down the beach in a straight line.
Even better.
See that pine tree down there? First one to make it there wins. Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wrong way, Duncan. Wrong way. Let's go. Come on, Duncan. Woo! Hey, how did you guys get here first?
What took you so long, cowboy?
Oh, well, I was winning, and then I saw a penguin that needed my help, so yeah, I stopped. Kai te akitanga. Oh, anyway, I think we need to have another race to see who's really the fastest.
How about we race to the ice cream shop then?
What do you think, my cousins? All right, we're on. Okay, you ready? On 3. 3. Ka kite anō.